In this video, we provide a short demonstration of the Deep Surface Risk Analyzer integration for Landsweeper. Before we begin configuring this integration, let me touch on the deployment requirements. All Risk Analyzer license levels and deployment scenarios currently support this integration. However, this integration does require a Landsweeper cloud or hybrid installation. Purely on-premises Landsweeper deployments are not supported at this time. With that, let's go ahead and set up the integration with Landsweeper. First, log in to the Risk Analyzer console and navigate to the Scanning Vulnerability Sources area. Next, click on the button on the top right of the screen labeled Plus Vulnerability Source. You will see a pop-up that allows you to enter the details for your integration. Simply select Landsweeper from the first drop-down, and then the form will change to show the fields that you need to fill in. The first thing you will need is a site ID for each of the Landsweeper sites that you wish to sync with. In addition, you will need an application identity code generated within the Landsweeper cloud interface that is configured to grant access to each of these sites. Please refer to Landsweeper documentation to obtain the site IDs and to set up the identity code. Alternatively, look for specific setup steps within the Risk Analyzer integrated manual, which can be found at the top right of your main console screen. Once you have your site IDs and your application identity code, simply enter them and click Save. Note that if you have multiple site IDs to configure, you'll need to repeat this process for each site. That is true even if the application identity code is shared across sites. At this point, Risk Analyzer will automatically begin syncing the latest inventory and vulnerability data from Landsweeper at least once a day. However, you can initiate the process right away for a site by clicking the Import button next to the configured integration. This will produce a confirmation pop-up, which gives you the option to run a full analysis after the import completes. Once your import job is launched, please navigate to the Activity Tasks area and observe the currently running job. Once this job is complete, it should run the analysis job. After that's done, you'll see the updated data in all of your Risk Analyzer reports. This concludes our demonstration of the integration between Deep Surface Risk Analyzer and Landsweeper. Thanks for watching.